Hey, we're Group B7, Bigfoot Footings. The members of our group were myself, Tyler Tanner, Ryan Hudson, and Blake Hummel. The problem we addressed was the overuse of construction materials and spread footings. In today's society, structural designs must account for extreme loading cases that rarely ever occur. They must include over-designed safety factors in order to further the stability of the structure. And with all this redundancy built into the system, an overwhelming amount of material is used, which increases project budgets, leaves a larger footprint, and can affect aesthetic features. Our solution to this problem is Bigfoot footings, which have the ability to transfer weight within the spread footings to the appropriate areas. The footings allow versatility to account for the different loading conditions every structure encounters, while still using less materials, a minimal environmental footprint, and maintaining aesthetic design. A brief description of Bigfoot footings would be a spread footing that attached to columns, light poles, signage, and any structure that must resist high loads and resultant moments. The footings are composed of primarily high-grade steel and can be supplemented with exterior coatings to account for different environments such as extreme weather-prone areas, high silica soils, wet conditions, etc. The footings contain cavities which enclose transferable weights that can be moved to the necessary side of the columns to account for the east-west or north-south winds. The footings resist applied moments more effectively than traditional concrete footings with steel rebar reinforcement. The weights translate on tracks composed with a simple chain system monitored with sensors. Why should someone say yes to our pitch? First off, they'll come in at a much lower cost than competitors. This is accomplished due to the fact that ordinary standard footings today are solid concrete with rebar reinforcements, whereas our footing will be hollowed out with solid concrete and rebar only enclosing the main weight distribution system that's hidden within the footing. This drastic reduction in construction material will in the end save the owner a substantial amount of money that can be invested elsewhere in their project. Our main plan for competitive advantage that will last in the long run is to apply for a patent on our unique design while keeping the product from the market until we receive our patent acceptance. Then, with our exclusive rights to sell the design, we will begin to market our Bigfoot footings. So what's unique about our product? Currently, we found the market to be very favorable. No product like ours exists, which would give us market advantage. If we were the first to introduce the product, we would be able to charge a premium for our footings while capturing the majority of the market until the competitors are finished developing a competing product. And we found the market to be almost limitless. By introducing this new and innovative product into the market, we plan to capitalize on the fact that currently no product successfully meets structure safety codes while minimizing